एवरीवन, अगर आपका शौक भी है सबसे अच्छी और जदीद इंग्लिश बोलना तो ये 500 इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस लाजमी सीख लीजिए। दोस्तों, यूं ही बआसानी उर्दू से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल इब्राहिम टीवी इंग्लिश को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको हमारी मज़ीद वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन। 500 इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। He will not drink tea. He will not drink tea. It won't be very cold next week. It won't be very cold next week. I am going to cook tonight. I am going to cook tonight. Mark will fix my car. Mark will fix my car. We will play basketball. We will play basketball. He will call me tomorrow. He will call me tomorrow. We are going to eat. We are going to eat. I will stay at home at the weekend. I will stay at home at the weekend. I won't go to the cemetery. I want to go to the cemetery. Baby wakes up if we make too much noise. Baby wakes up if we make too much noise. If you cry a lot, you get a headache. If you cry a lot, you get a headache. If you have problems, talk to your doctor. If you have problems, talk to your doctor. If water reaches 100 degrees, water boils. If water reaches 100 degrees, water boils. If you cry a lot, you get a headache. If you mix colors, you get different color. If you mix colors, you get different colors. If my sister has money, she will travel. If my sister has money, she will travel. If I wake up early, I go jogging. If I wake up early, I go jogging. People die if they don't eat. People die if they don't eat. Ask Ali if you are not sure what to do. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. If you make a cake, you firstly break eggs. If you make a cake, you firstly break eggs. You get burned if you touch a fire. You get burned if you touch a fire. Wood doesn't burn if there is no air. If you drink alcohol so much you have a sickness. You get a headache if you cry a lot. When water reaches 100 degrees, water boils. If it snows, the ground gets icy. If you mix red and white, you get orange. What's stopping you? What's stopping you? What's your last name? What's your last name? Did you cook? Did you cook? How's the weather there? How's the weather there? So my dear friends, it is it for today. I hope आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा इस वीडियो से. Inshallah we will be talking in next video. Take care. Bye for now.